Here are diet tips to create a calorie deficit to achieve weight loss. Cut portion size. If you want to lose weight, get used to eating smaller portions of meals than you have been eating. Cut your portion size according to your body weight, but make sure you do so in a healthy way after consulting a certified nutritionist or dietitian. It must be noted that cutting portion size also means eating all 3 meals of the day, albeit in smaller portion, and not skipping even a single meal. Eat more negative calorie vegetables and fruits. Negative calorie foods are the ones that demand more energy expenditure during digestion than they supply to the body. A number of fruits and vegetables that are really low in calories are known as negative calorie foods, and including these in your diet may help you in creating a calorie deficit in a healthy manner. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelons are some of the most popular negative calorie foods. 5 negative calorie foods include celery. Celery is ranked high among negative calorie foods. It contains barely 16 calories per 100 grams as per USDA. Berries. Raspberries, blueberries and strawberries contain just 32 calories per half a cup as per USDA. Known for their anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, berries are really good for your heart too. Tomatoes. This tangy delight contains a minimal of 19 calories per 100 grams. Apart from being a juicy and delicious source of dietary fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, tomatoes can also prove effective in lowering your cholesterol levels. Cucumber. 16 calories per 100 grams. Yes, our favorite salad is that low on calories. Cucumbers are full of minerals, vitamins, and electrolytes, and are extremely hydrating. Watermelon. Another summer favorite. Watermelons contain 30 calories per 100 grams. Watermelons are also rich in lycopene, which can help protect the heart. The citrulline in the rind and the flesh of watermelon can also ensure smooth blood flow and enhanced immunity. Here are other negative calorie foods that you can consume without worries. 3. Drink adequate water. It's a cardinal sin to pass up on drinking enough water, especially when you are trying to lose weight. It not only speeds up metabolism, but also curbs hunger pangs. Keep sipping water throughout the day and drink a glass before your meals in order to make your body consume lesser food and lesser number of calories. 4. Restrict meals to certain time period. A number of people employ the method of intermittent fasting in order to make the body burn more calories. This involves restricting all 3 meals of the day to a 12 or 14-hour time period during the day and abstaining from food for the rest of the day. Again, it is recommended that this be done only after you have consulted a nutritionist and given that you don't suffer from any long-term or chronic illness or disease. In order to calculate your daily calorie intake in a calorie deficit diet, you should first ascertain how many calories you are planning to burn in the gym per day. Then subtract the requisite deficit of between 300 to 500 calories from it to arrive at the number of calories you should be eating per day. Even if you fail to stick to your weight loss diet initially, make sure you get back to it. Here are 2 salad recipes that will help you in weight loss. Panzanella. This one is a summer treat. It can be made in several ways, but tomatoes and bread are 2 main ingredients that are the heroes of the dish. What sets apart this salad from others is that the use of bread, which makes this salad more fulfilling and serves the purpose of having a healthy meal. Bread will add in the fiber quotient, while tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium and folate. An alternate to the store-bought salad dressing is vinaigrette, especially if you want to control the amount of oil, vinegar or lemon juice. Salt, herbs and spices can be added to the mixture to enhance its taste. Carrot salad with black grape dressing. For this salad, you can make a fresh and healthy dressing yourself, and you have the complete control over the fat content of the salad dressing. Carrots are a good source of potassium, vitamin K1 fiber, and antioxidants. They also assist in weight loss. Black grapes consist of a powerful antioxidant known as resveratrol in its skin, which is known to facilitate weight loss. Remember, it's a long race to the finish line, but the results are bound to be worth it. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.